Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to use reference images on Dall-E 2. Now with that being said, let's head on to our computer browser, and on the search bar right here, I'm just going to search on Dall-E 2. Now once you have done that, open this first result that shows in the results. And then I'm going to briefly explain to you what Dall-E 2 is all about. So Dall-E 2 is an AI system that can create realistic images and art from a description in natural language. So basically, if you put an input or you want to command something like, or if you want to describe something like, give me an image that is a guitar and a people playing with it, and automatically Dall-E 2 will generate that type of image. So once I scroll down, so these are the examples of images that Dall-E 2 generates. So I'm just going to scroll down again. So Dall-E 2 can create original, realistic images and a art from a text description. So it can combine concepts, attributes, and styles. So this is an example right here. As you can see, this is the input that says an astronaut riding a horse in photorealistic style. So the output basically is this one. So once you describe something on the input, automatically the output will generate what the input is. So these are a lot of variations right here. So this is a very good tool if you're into digital marketing, digital art, or if you want to make logos out of Dall-E 2, you can actually do that. And now next, in January of 2021, OpenAI introduced Dall-E. So 1 year later, our newest system called the Dall-E 2 generates more and realistic and accurate images with 4 times greater resolution. So as you can see right here on my left, this is Dall-E 1, and as you can see, it is not that very good in terms of quality. So on my right here is the Dall-E 2. So as you can see, it has a big difference from Dall-E 1. And Dall-E 2 offers a lot more variations in terms of quality. It offers a lot more in terms of realistically like that. So once I scroll down again, so Dall-E 2 is preferred over Dall-E 1 when evaluators compared each model. So on Dall-E 2, it has 88.8%, and on the Dall-E 1, it has only 71.7%, which is very much good because as you can see, Dall-E 2 offers a lot more quality. So these are the related searches right here. So just look into that if you will. And now let's try Dall-E 2. So once you have done that, I'm just gonna go to try Dall-E 2 right here. And I hate to break it to you that Dall-E 2 is now paid. So you don't get the free version of it, and you need to buy credits for you to use this website. So to buy credits, all you need to do is click on your profile icon right here and click on buy credits. So as you can see, for $15 you will have 115 credits, and I think that's a big bargain, and I think it's a good price because for $15 you can actually generate a lot of images. And you have also the option to have $30, which generates around 230 credits. So $45 US for 245 credits. And as you can see, it has a lot of once you pay a lot of money, a lot of credits will be credited to you. So if you are still starting, I suggest you get the $15, and for 115 credits you can actually generate a lot of photos. And now let's select a image right here. So these are the sample images that Dall-E generated. So as you can see, the input right here is a 3D render of a cute tropical fish in an aquarium on a dark blue background digital art. So as you can see, someone described this input. As you can see, the output is very much accurate. So let's try our own. So I'm just gonna say a person, or let's just say a classical painting of a person playing a guitar in or at night. So once you have done that, you have decided what your input is, I'm just going to click on generate right here. So as you can see, Dall-E 2 is now generating my image. So we will just wait for Dall-E 2 AI to generate this. So as you can see right here, I have 4 variations: a classical painting of a person playing guitar at night. So as you can see, I have 4 variations to choose from. So you can just click on this dotted line right here if you want to open a new tab or edit image and generate variations or download or report. Now, next thing I want to say or I want to explain is how to use reference image. So for you to use reference image, you can actually upload an image of your choice, or you can actually edit the image that you just generated. So I'm gonna show first the upload image of your choice. So I'm just gonna click on upload right here, and click on this beach right here. Just click on open, and make sure it's a crop. And next, once you have cropped it, click on edit image. So as you can see, this is my image that I want to have a reference with. So these are the tools right here. So the erase is to basically, you can erase any part of your photo and actually replace it with a Dall-E image that you will describe. Next is to add a generational frame. So a generational frame is actually, you can make an extension out of it. So once I put it right here, I can add an extension of my image on the right side, blank space right here. And next is the upload image. So once I click on the upload, you can actually upload an image for you to add on your reference image. And now the pan is actually, you can pan this out like that. You can actually click on this and reposition it to the canvas or to another direction. And the select right here is to select a certain photo, and you can actually make a generational frame out of it. So for now, I'm just gonna go to erase right here because I want to add a sun right here. So basically, I'm just gonna click on erase. I'm gonna erase this part right here. And once I have done that, I'm just gonna go to this input right here, the input command search bar. I'm just gonna say a sun that is smiling and looking down at the beach. So once you have done that, just click on generate right here, and of course wait for your image to generate right about there. So this may take a lot of time depending on what you have commanded them. So for what have you described that you want AI or Dall-E AI to generate for you. So as you can see right here, I have I have four variations. So right here, this is good, this is better, and I think this is not that really good. So as you can see, this is the original that I have just erased a certain part of my image. And as you can see, automatically once I put a command right here, like for example right here, automatically AI Dall-E opens this type of certain image. So I'm just going to select this one right here. So to do that, just click on the three dotted lines, and you can actually edit this image further, or you can just download this if you are already satisfied on what you have done. So for now, I'm just going to click on edit image right here. And once you have done that, I can actually delete a part of my photo again right here, and I'm just gonna say a sailboat with a person sailing on it. So next, I'm just gonna click on generate again, and of course wait for your image to generate based on what you have commanded them so far. So this may take a lot of time, so all you have to do is be patient, and we just have to wait. And there you have it. I have an image that is already have a boat based on my description right here, or based on what I have described. So for now, this is a little bit more realistic. So again, I'm just gonna click on this image, and you can actually edit right here. And now let's say I want to add another section right here. So once I have done that, I'm just gonna click on add generation frame, and just put it into position the way you want it. So I'm just gonna click on right that, and now all you have to do is to type an input that you want to have it right here. So let's say I'm just gonna say a view of a city with a lot of people. So next, I'm just gonna click on generate again, and of course the waiting game has been started. So let's just wait for it. Let's be patient, and hopefully Dall-E will now generate our image in about a second. As you can see right there, it is very perfect. I have inputted a view of a city with a lot of people, so as you can see right here, Dall-E never fails. So once you have done that, just click on accept right here. And next, once you are satisfied on what you have done, you can just click on download right here, and I'm just gonna save it on my desktop. So I'm just gonna save right here, and I'm gonna go to my desktop to see if Dall-E generates it or saves it, and there you have it. It's very beautiful, it is very simple, and of course it is very effective, and it is hassle-free. So all you need to do is to input or describe a certain word or a certain image, and now Dall-E generates it automatically. So with that being said, if you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please leave a comment on the comment box down below, and I'll try to answer it as much as I can. So again, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!